All right, so I got here at 7 o'clock this morning. Francis was here, revving the motor, ready to go. Event starts at 9, 2 hours early. This guy's an animal. So he's got Tundra, obviously rocking the Super Pacific. What an awesome build out here. I want to show you guys, and when I have Francis talk to us a little bit about what he's done, his setup. I think you've got a family of 4. Did I get that right?
Yep.
Family of 4. So how he's utilizing the Super. So tell me about it. What do we got going on? First of all, what year is the Tundra?
It's a 2008 Tundra, 14 years old, oldie but goodie.
Yes.
Only 140,000 miles.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new for Toyota.
This is the 3rd iteration of the build for this, and it's going to be the final build. And I wanted to build it around the Super Pacific camper. Yep. With the family of 4, we needed the space, both to hang out inside and also to have enough sleeping space. So that's how I built the interior of the camper with that in mind.
Yeah, awesome. So 6.5 foot bed?
6.5 foot bed.
So he's got the length of a Tundra and he's got the width, obviously full-size truck. A lot of the trucks we see are kind of more of the mid-size. Gives him a ton of room. Check out this interior. So what did you do in here, Francis? Talk to me about this, because this looks like, if I put in the right music and get some Manhattans going, this looks like a lounge.
It is a lounge.
Yes, this is awesome.
So I did watch a lot of videos on sprinters and how they built out their vehicles and why they did things.
Yeah.
So I built up a subfloor, but below the subfloor I built up a welded subframe that's tied into the actual vehicle frame via the bed bolts.
Nice.
I did foam insulation underneath to fill in.
From the van world, for sure.
From the van world.
You see that.
It's not completed yet. It still needs finished flooring, which in the future you'll see that.
Nice.
So that I started out with cardboard, in my home garage, made with a compass and traced out the contours of the truck bed and cut it out into a template and transferred it over to birch ply.
2 pieces, I presume, right?
2 pieces,
yeah,
for sure.
because 1 piece you can't get it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we know that from some of the other platforms we install from our vendors. So 2 pieces is the way to go. You have the cutouts here for the bed stiffeners. Looks like you used 80/20, right?
Yep, it's 80/20. The frame's built out of 80/20. The actual paneling is made out of a product called ACM, which has a plastic core and an aluminum sheet skin on the inside and outside. You can get it. It's all pre-finished. You don't need to worry about painting it, finishing it, or anything. You can get it in any color. You can get it in brushed stainless.
So pretty durable, nice looking finish. You're running your Iceco fridge.
Yep,
running the back, and you've got plans for this side. You were saying, right?
I have plans to do a
wet bar. Over
a cabinet build out on this side. Fridge will get. A fridge will be moved to this side over here, where you can access with the Iceco. You can open it from both sides. Unfortunately, my old ARB it was too big.
Yeah,
and the way it opened was not conducive to the build.
Yeah.
So I wanted to be able to access the fridge from the tailgate side, from inside, and also from the side of the camper, which that allows that. There's going to be a spot for a microwave. Because
you got to have the nuker.
You know what? We talked about having popcorn at camp with the kids, so that's
nice.
That's a goal.
Awesome, man.
So
super rad. And then you've got some LED lighting up in here. Are you running a separate dual battery system?
So I do have 2 Renogy 100 amp hour batteries in the front compartment.
Okay. Underneath here.
Underneath here, it is all. It's temporarily wired in. I'm not tied in yet to the front battery. I don't have my DC charger in yet. I don't have my solar in yet.
Yep.
What also lives up there is a 2,000 watt inverter to power the microwave, the Keurig if possible. But we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, sweet. Awesome. And then you're running the Free Spirit awning. These are nice. Really, really nice awning.
Yep.
I'd say a real good price point too on kind of value with what you get.
Yep.
You've got all your Deadman stuff. Sam from Deadman's here.
Sam from Deadman.
Good stuff.
I'm running full Icons front and rear.
Yep.
Out back, it's running a RXT kit, bypasses, air bumps, to carry the extra load. It's on the heaviest setting.
Okay.
And even with that, my old setup, I was actually riding on bumps with the Super Pacific because it is so much of a lighter setup now.
Yeah.
I gained.
So you got the weight.
I got the ride height back,
backs.
And and the up travel back. Up front, it's running icons as well.
Okay.
It's running billet uppers, actually Dirt King lowers.
Okay.
2.5 with resis, and then it's running their 2.5 bypass also. So
yeah, that's beautiful, man. But you did this here?
I did that.
Yeah,
I matched the angles of the tent.
Yeah.
And as much as I could, measured it with the angle cube.
Yeah, nice.
And mimicked it to the angles of the tent so that it.
I'm just really excited that you kept this access to the clip here for the for the hammock.
For the hammock,
you got to do it right. Super slick, dude. This thing is awesome, man. The setup in the Super that you've got going on, I think just with the size of it, it gives you so many options, which is super rad.
Yes.
But yeah, I think I like it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming, man. Appreciate the support. Thanks for coming early, helping set up.
Definitely.
If you guys see this rig out, dude, give Francis a little holler and have him show you around, because this thing is awesome.
Definitely.
Thanks, dude.
Appreciate it.